Hello everybody, jump into channel once again. Okay, so next part we are going to continue our competitive exam special fractions and decimals. Those who did not watch the previous one, go through it. I think so you are eagerly waiting for my questions. So let us switch on to the questions now. How many pieces of equal size can be cut from a rope of 30 meters long, each measuring 3 by 4 meters? So by seeing this one, many of the 6, 7, 8 students will be scared. Okay, don't be panic. I am going to explain in the easiest method. Two problems. Okay, please go through it now. So for your understanding sake, I am going through a diagram. Okay, see here the diagram follows. So there is a rope. Let us suppose that it is a rope. Okay, of 30 meters long. So they said equal sizes 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever it may be. We don't know that equal number of sizes. Okay, let us mark that sizes as x because they said equal size x, 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 whatever it may be. How many may be. So how many pieces of equal size they said. So this is the diagram for your understanding. So here given our x is nothing but each measuring 3 by 4 meters, 3 by 4 meters, nothing but 15 by 4 meters. Okay, I hope so you got the best knowledge. Let n be the number of pieces. Now I am going through our method. Just within 1 minute I am going to conclude this problem. I think so you got the idea of this problem. Now let n be the number of pieces. Okay, so 30 by, because the length of the rope is 30 meters long, since it is competitive examination, writing direct steps, and each measuring is nothing but x here. So this implies n is equal to our 30 by x I got here 15 by 4. So this implies now n can be written as 30 into 4 by 15 once and twice. So this implies n is equal to 8. Nothing but stands for here A option. So just say fast track method, just apply the formula. This is only for your understanding. Okay. Think in the mind this diagram. Okay, analyze it and proceed. In the regular words, you can draw the diagram. In the competitive examination, it takes some time, and this is a formula for this. Let n be number of pieces, length of the rope by each piece. Since it is mixed fraction, the students will be shocked by seeing the question. Okay, so this is our first one of today. Next, coming to second one, simplify the fraction 4 5 by 2 4 of 5 by 2 minus 2 of 3 by 8 plus 3 of 7 by 8. By seeing the question again, just they'll write the question and they'll continue. I am going to do in the best method, whether it may be regular boards or the here for competitive examinations. See here, solution follows. If you observe carefully, you have 3 mixed fractions. The denominators are here, second and third term are 8. So rearranging the fractions. So rearranging the terms. So your time starts now. In 1 minute I am going to conclude this problem. So I am going to write 3 7 by 8 minus 2 3 by 8 plus 4 5 by 2. Okay. So positive, negative, positive, positive, negative, positive. So plus here, nothing but here I can write now 8 into 31 by 8 minus 19 by 8. So place it in a box. Since it is a like terms here, the denominators are 8 here, 8. Plus here I can write now 13 by 2. I can write So the LCM is 8 here. 31 minus 19 gives you 12 plus 13 by 2. 2 4 is 8. Next, here I can write now thrice and twice. So finally 3 by 2 plus 13 by 2. 13 plus 3 is 16 by 2. Nothing but 8. The final answer is 8. And here it plays D option. Our previous one, the first problem is 8 answer. The second problem here also our 8. Here A option, D option. I hope so you like this video. Don't proceed like this. It takes more than 1 minute, 1.5 2 minutes. It takes less than 1 minute. So go through the like terms, club it, nothing but rearrange the terms, simplify, take improper fraction, LCM cancellation, and do this one. So this is 1 minute and this is 1 minute. In 2 minutes, hardly 2 minutes, you can complete 2 problems. Okay, once you have the look of this problem and that problem, hope so you are feeling good with my videos. Okay, any suggestions you can give me in the comment box. Okay, and please, if you like this video, then like and share it to your near and dear. Still, those who did not subscribe my channel, subscribe my channel for more innovative different types of videos. See you in the next video session.